In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your website on LinkedIn using WordPress. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to your WordPress site. If you have your account linked, you can use the convenient Continue with Google option for a quicker login. This will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard, where the real work begins. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the dashboard. You should see a menu. Navigate through it until you find the Users section and click on it. This will direct you to a page where you can see different account types associated with your website. If you want to take an additional step to understand who your audience is before sharing, you can check your subscribers. Click on the Subscribers section within the Users menu to review the list of people who are already registered on your site. This will give you an insight into your audience, although it's completely optional. After that, return to your dashboard. Now we're looking for the Share Your Site option. This may be located either on your main dashboard or tucked away in the site management panels. Once you've found it, you're on the right track. Next, you'll want to select LinkedIn from the sharing options presented to you. Look for the LinkedIn icon and click on it. This will take you to a sharing interface specifically for LinkedIn. Now here's an exciting part. WordPress will automatically generate a preview of your website. This preview will include images and a description that showcases what your site is about. Take a moment to review this preview closely. It's important that everything looks just right, since this will be the first impression for your LinkedIn connections. Once you've gone through the preview and are satisfied with how it looks, you can go ahead and post it directly to your LinkedIn newsfeed. After hitting the share button, you may be prompted on LinkedIn to confirm your post. Review the content once more to ensure it accurately represents your site and your message. Finally, once you've gone through all the prompts, click to share it with your professional network. And just like that, your website is now live on LinkedIn, ready for your connections to see. Sharing your website can significantly enhance your online visibility, so it's great that you're taking the time to do it right. Keep in mind that engaging with your audience post-sharing can also lead to fruitful conversations and connections. That's a wrap on how to share your website using LinkedIn in WordPress. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.